Hello guys, welcome back to DailyTube channel. In today's video, we are checking out the top 5 best fitness tracker on the market in 2020. Depending on my research, customer reviews, and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Give us a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you want a video like this in the next episode. That's it, now let's get started with the videos. Starting with number 5, we have the Fitbit Inspire HR Fitness Tracker. The easy-to-use Fitbit Inspire HR Fitness Tracker packs all the basic features you need to monitor your health and exercise for an affordable price. This isn't the most capable fitness tracker in our best of list, but it does a lot considering its price, and you'll get access to all of Fitbit top 10 services. Unsurprisingly, it offers a heart rate tracker alongside a variety of other fitness tracking capabilities. It can track step count, distance and basic sleep metrics that can even give you detailed insight on your health and fitness. In addition to continuous heart rate monitoring, it tracks sleep stages such as REM, deep and light sleep, measures your cardio fitness levels, and includes 15+ exercise modes. For under $100, it provides accurate fitness tracking, smartphone notifications, and up to 5 days of battery life in a stylish swim-proof design. Plus, the tracker features a slimmer and more comfortable design than a lot of other trackers you can buy. So if you're after a Fitbit that won't be heavy on your wrist, you may want to consider this as your next fitness band. It's also so compact and lightweight, you're likely to forget you're wearing it. The band is also stylish and easy to switch when you feel like changing it up. As well as it's very simple to use, you swipe up to see additional stats, use the single button to return to the home screen, and swipe down when you're ready to start exercising. The Fitbit Inspire HR Fitness Tracker offers great value with its accurate activity tracking and attractive lightweight design. At number 4, we have the Apple Watch Series 5. For iPhone owners who have the money to spend, there's no question that the Apple Watch Series 5 is the best full-featured fitness tracker and smartwatch available. It doesn't feature any drastic changes, but an always-on display makes the best smartwatch. You can buy even better. The Apple Watch is truly a product of iteration. Every year it gets better just enough to stay ahead of the competition. In addition to a new processor, the Series 5 comes with the Compass app and an international emergency calling feature. And watchOS 6 brings new apps like cycle tracking for women and a noise app that measures sound exposure. These are already great additions, but the most transformative feature it offers isn't always on display. So you can see the time, workout stats and other information at a glance. The rest of the experience remains the same. But these changes are enough to keep Apple ahead of the market, as well as it delivers plenty of functionality, but its more fitness-oriented features include GPS tracking and ultrameter that records changes in altitude and onboard heart rate monitoring. It's also waterproof down to 50 meters, offering support for a vast number of workout types, and even reminds you to stand after periods of inactivity. Dethrowing Bluetooth connectivity with wireless headphones and greatly improved series support, and you have a smartwatch that's largely above just about anything else on the market. The Apple Watch Series 5 is the perfect fitness tracker for those who already live in Apple's ecosystem. Since this is just another extension of that platform, offering versatility and convenience in a stylish wearable. At number 3, we have the Fitbit Charge 3 Fitness Tracker. This is our pick for the best overall fitness tracker. It's available at around $240. More refined than the Fitbit Charge 2, the Charge 3 is one of the company's most accomplished devices. It isn't a drastic change over predecessor, but it has enough small tweaks to make it one of the best everyday fitness trackers that you can buy. Thanks to a sharper screen, longer battery life, new sensors, a swim-safe build, and more informative phone notifications, the Charge 3 features just enough changes to remain the best everyday fitness tracker for casual users. It also has a more lightweight design than the last generation and looks better on your wrist. You can track GPS by pairing your phone with the tracker too. In terms of fitness tracking capabilities, it tracks deep and light sleep steps, distance and calories, syncs quickly and reliably, and isn't acceptably accurate and reliable heart rate reader, even during intense exercise. It can auto-detect various common types of exercise function as a running and cycling watch, and it'll give you an overall fitness score. All these metrics can be viewed in the Fitbit app, which still has the best app interface for health and wellness tracking. If you enjoyed the whole Fitbit app and experience and Fitbits and fantastic sleep tracking, you want to opt for this as it's one of the company's best trackers ever. The Fitbit Charge 3 is the best all-around fitness tracker for casual users since it offers a lot of insight into your overall health and activity, all at a reasonable price. At number 2, we have the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. It's available at around $35 when you want to be able to cover your bases with your fitness tracker without breaking the bank in the process. You'll love the Xiaomi Mi Band 4. It delivers fantastic value and features. It's a run-of-the-mill affordable fitness tracker, and then it has a slimline design, a small color screen and a selection of workouts to track. The upgrades that happen over its predecessor include a color OLED display with significantly improved outdoor viewability and a higher resolution. The band also has an extended 20-day battery life, and it has improved tracking, making it an easy fitness gadget to recommend, covering the basics and delivering some flourishes as well. It offers a satisfying list of tracking abilities and other features that are hard to find at this price point. You'll be able to choose from up to 6 workout modes, which include running, treadmill running, cycling, walking, pool, swimming, and a general exercise workout mode. The swim tracking is on point too, with the ability to recognize swim styles such as freestyle, butterfly, and backstroke. It also records other datasets like swimming pace and stroke count. Along with that, you have sleep tracking and all-day heart rate monitoring. It might not be a smartwatch, but at this price point it's difficult to complain about depression. Powerful little tracker. Plus, it's Android and iOS compatible. The Xiaomi Mi Band 4 is a wonderful fitness tracker for fitness buffs on a budget, with its extended battery life, useful heart rate monitor, an activity tracker, and easy-to-view screen. And the last product on our list is the Samsung Galaxy Fit. The Samsung Galaxy Fit nails the basics, making it an outstanding choice for the casual athlete looking for a reliable tracker. It's a sleek, accurate fitness tracker with a lovely display, a simple interface, long battery life and a surprisingly affordable price. The first you notice is the vivid and colorful 0.95-inch MOLED display. It's a compact screen, and the use of colors and the Gorilla Glass encased screen makes it easy to see the metrics while you're exercising. It has a touchscreen interface that is responsive and easy to navigate. Its sleek, streamlined design is easy on the eyes and versatile enough to wear both in and out of the gym. In addition to being water-resistant to 50 meters and compliant with military-level durability standards, this device is built for endless activity tracking. It has the convenience of automatic activity tracking for 6 workouts such as walking, running, cycling, elliptical training, rowing and dynamic workouts. It allows you to start exercising without having to fuss with the watch, and it shows your data like distance, pace and elapsed time. You can also use the Samsung Health mobile app to manually select from over 90 workouts, 10 of which can be customized and set as preferred activities. We'll also monitor your heart rate, sleep patterns and stress levels. Plus the inactivity reminders that gently remind you to get out of your chair and spend some time moving are appreciated. The Samsung Galaxy Fit is not only the best fitness tracker for Android users, it's also one of the best values in a fitness wearable with all its features.